2015 Hyundai Genesis. We put an aftermarket system on it. Still got all the stock catalytic converters on each side and the rear converters. Then it's got a mid resonator and a true dual system out the back. It's a CTN racing system with quad tips. This is what came off of it. That's the stock exhaust. And it's a CTN kit, racing kit, out of Hayward, California. There it is. It's nice and shiny, all polished. Hope you guys like the sound. We'll let you hear it in a minute. Sounds pretty nice. Got a really nice deep tone to it. It's a 3.8 liter coupe Genesis Hyundai. There it is out the side. It's really nice. Brembo brakes. Luxury edition. And that's how it's done.